Hi guys, I know you guys are like looking at my eyes like, hmm, yeah, if looks could kill, I guess I will kill it, huh?
Living
Life
Life
Single
Single
TV.
TV. Let's
It's
rock.
beautiful here tonight. I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna let my hair go. I'm gonna let it show.
Okay, so I'm going to the Cream of Nature hair color event, and it started at 7:10 to 10 p.m. tonight, but I just wanted to make sure I was ready for that event. So I actually did one of my locks, as you guys can see, and I actually put some color in it. Sorry guys, I am just loving the eyes that I did, and I actually do my own makeup, so this is the color I put in. Dazzling. And I'm getting ready to go to that event right now. So Gabby from Gab and Babe will be there. Gabriel, put it that way. And she's participating in the whole color event. Now, for you guys know, I am a stylist. So I'm going to go and I'm going to have fun. And I'm just loving the way I did my makeup. I will explain a little bit more about my makeup later. So, bye. See you guys. The nails didn't get done, but I like to have natural. Okay, guys. So it's a little bit still light out here, and I'm going to this event. And after that, I'm gonna hang out with some people and have a great time today. So I'm right here and walking right now to the car. Some of you guys didn't see the piece on the top of my hair. It's a color event, so I figure why not wear something that's colorful. So this is where I live, and you know it's funny because the Hoover driver is basically never pick me up where I want them to pick me up. Never pick me up. And it's just so funny because I don't see why they don't pick me up where I gotta always walk. And this is me. Yeah, I don't have a selfie picture, but this is me. And I'm walking right now to the Hoover car. So if you guys can see, it gotta be a way where you can do this without worrying about holding the phone, you know, when you're vlogging all the time. So I'm gonna go to this color and see basically what goes on in this event, and to learn more, to educate myself about it. And I am kind of loving the makeup. The makeup is very natural. Bobbi Brown mixed with a little Fashion Fair with a little bit of MAC, and I got on some M-61 on, so you know it's all good. So you guys can see my Hoover driver. You don't see my Hoover car. I always gotta open the store right here. It's just ridiculous. And I hate coming around the back because it's not really safe and secure back here. When you come in the back area, you know, I got my keys for the back gate, but I just hate opening the back. So here I am, and I'm about to get in the car. This is the car right here. Uber is kind of fun sometimes, but they can't follow directions or crap. So I'll see you guys when I get there. In a minute, I'm running late, so when I get there, it doesn't matter whether I'm running a little bit late. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later.
We have people from Cream of Nature here, this hair color model on our page. So every woman has an opportunity. We are looking for all women. Every woman is beautiful to Cream of Nature, so this is your chance. So we're definitely have it open. Please tune in and
So like she said, this is your chance. When things like these come, take advantage. But one last tip I'll give everybody, make sure your Instagram page does not have a bunch of fast photos. Because brands and people look at your pages. I have a cousin that models. I had to go through her page and be like, delete, delete. Because if you want people to see what you're showing, make sure that it's the, you know, the package and the thing that you want to present. So we are moving on. The party is back on.
We have 6 SKUs. So if you are trying to achieve your lovely wash and go, if you're twisting it, if you're doing finger pulls, or you're doing a rod set, Cream of Nature has you covered, and it's formulated just for natural hair. And if you are straight, you can use it there. You can use it as well. It's really about the nature of you with Cream of Nature. So really just having natural, healthy hair. That's our goal. So
Last night I had great fun. It was all good that I went to this hair event. I got some goodies for my company, coloring the new hair color from Cream of Nature, so let me go get it. Okay, so part of living life single, if you guys know, I still got this on. Now last night, when I got home, because most of you guys know that have changed totally a lot. From those who know about my Organic Norda page, for those who've been on my my video blog for years, and my Facebook for customers, and all my meetup folks that I have meetup with, and also so I'm enjoying that these days. So at the event, and I'm gonna add all this at the event, the Cream of Nature. Okay, so this is Cream of Nature, and they were talking about the organ and the Morocco oil, or the Cream of Nature event. I had the Black Hair Stylist book. I know I've been sporting it. This is all real hair, and this is a dreadlock extension, guys. So yes, I just been sporting it. And with the Cream of Nature event, it's mostly about coloring. And this is one of their new. They don't have a lot of locks in these events. Locks like mine is something that should be considered in these events, but they don't. They have when you see natural hair books, they don't have it like the way they used to be. A natural hair book should not have any weave. And there she go again. So that's awesome. That's really awesome. Really awesome. So want to give a shout out to Gabby. Girl, do your thing. Because when I was in my 20s, I don't know if you're in your 20s or you're about to be in your 30s. I'm in my 30s now. But when I was in my 20s, I used to do a lot of hair modeling as a cosmetologist. And I used to have fun. Okay, so have fun. It's very important to have those fun while you are a hair model, and you know your face are for that. I saw you last night, and matter of fact, you were the most pleasant person throughout the whole group. You came out, you were a social bird, you socialized with those who watch your media, your video vlogging. That's very important because I'm a video vlogger, so it's very important for you to socialize. And of course, I went to Indianapolis for a conference, and I think you had some type of event there, but I was not able to make it, so that was great. So this book have a lot of hair models, but I'm going to be honest, guys. Don't believe the hype of some of these hair models, because some of their hair is not all the way real. I'm going to be honest. But it's a magazine, and it's something you have to live up to. But one thing I did not like, there's a lot of weaving and, you know, that's in a book like this. And to me, I think it needs to be more natural. They show, I didn't see any locks. I saw one locks throughout this whole book. So, and it doesn't matter, because whether you have weaves or, you know, the locks in this book are some horrible designs. Like, I'm going to show you. Look at that. That's some locks in the book. I don't see small locks. Of course, you can't really advertise the sister locks by calling it sister locks. So, my hair event that I want to have, I want to have some micro locks models, some sister lock models, and of course, I am the owner of Organic Nordes, so I will have me some Nordelocks models. I want to see some real natural hair in my events, and it's going to be a white affair with natural hair meet locks, and I really want that to be a nice event, and I'm gonna get that started before the end of the year. Decide to come out, so I might have to contact my homegirl to start working on my